This is the winter, and the snow falling from the sky feels like a white cotton candy slowly touching the earth. I'm here in Sansok, a small little beautiful village of Jubbal in Himachal Pradesh. Everything around me is turning white, calm and silent. इस शानदार स्नो का वेट सब कर रहे थे and now it's finally here. The trees, the rooftops and the roads, सब कुछ एक fresh white blanket के नीचे सो रहा है. There is no rush, no noise, just cold air, slow snowfall and peaceful mountain morning. This is Sansok village, standing quietly at around 6,889 feet above from sea level. But right now पूरा संसोक गांव इस बर्फ के नीचे ऐसे ढका हुआ है जैसे किसी ने सफेद रेशमी चादर आराम से बिछा दी. Every rooftop, every tree, every narrow path covered with soft white silence. ये गांव का नजारा किसी ड्रीमलैंड से कम नहीं लग रहा. It feels unreal, like time has slowed down, and the mountains are just breathing in peace. This is another beautiful day at Sansok village. A fresh, snowy morning and winter special is being prepared in the kitchen. ये है चलाई कुदा आटा, फिंगर मिलेट फ्लोर और इसमें अब मैश्ड कचालू यानी टेरो रूट्स को स्टफ किया जा रहा है. To make a delicious गर्मा गर्म रोटी, also called बेड़न रोटी in Himachal dialects, which is being prepared traditionally on Himalayan tandoor, also called bukhari. Simple ingredients but pure mountain energy. Chalai koda is one of the most loved traditional food across Himachal, rich in fiber, protein, calcium and iron. Perfect for these cold days. यहाँ का खाना सिर्फ टेस्ट नहीं देता, it gives strength, warmth and a connection to old traditions. This is another Himalayan recipe, purely made with snow, जिसके लिए सबसे पहले मसाले लाइक जीरा, नमक, मिर्च को स्लोली रोस्ट करके पत्थर के ऊपर पीसा जाता है, जिसे सिलबट्टा या ट्रेडिशनल स्टोन ग्राइंडर भी कहते हैं. Then the snow is now mixed with a sour mixture of dried apricot, also called khatta. This tasty Himalayan snow recipe gives a sour, salty and sweet यानी नमकीन खट्टा मीठा cold taste, which is now served with a special spoon. ये चम्मच बान के पेड़ की पत्तियों को काटकर बनाई गई है. That gives pure Himachali vibes. और ऐसा माना जाता है ये हेल्थ के लिए भी बहुत ही ज्यादा बेनिफिशियल है. Everyone enjoy this authentic Himalayan delight. It's icy cold to eat, but packed with natural goodness and powerful health benefits. A true mountain treasure in every bite. This is actually a wonderful day in a Sansok valley. Now I am stepping forward to Dhadi Rawat village, which lies just opposite to Sansok, almost 5 kilometers away from it. Dhadi Rawat is a historic village known for its royal lineage. It was founded by Thakur Kesar Singh in 19th century. On that time, यह सिसोदिया वंश के थरोज रियासत का हिस्सा था. बाद में यह वुशैर रियासत के अधीन आ गया और इवेंचुअली इन 1896 में ढाडी जुब्बल का हिस्सा बन गया. Rana Sahib Surinder Singh has been the present ruler since 2002, and the Dhadi Palace still stands as a proud symbol of its rich legacy. It is a living, functioning fortress in Dhadi, and the royal family is still live inside. It's such a great place, and the fortress having its own great charm.
All the roads have been blocked due to heavy snowfall, so you have to explore the valley. I repeat, explore the valley. Explore the valley.